worker. This is Tiger Skin Red. Today here. You see? You see? 来，你说一下嗨，说一下嗨。啊，嗨，说一下嗨。Okay, so I'm here today in Tiger Skin Red places to check in the goods with my workers, and I show you this around this factory. this worker say me this is the automatic policy. He asked me to take a picture of this automatic policy. Okay, see automatic policy. And they are doing this machine, working this machine now. Okay, so I show you all around this machine. Because of this coronavirus is taking many factories stop working until later they start working. So that's why they now start to work. Okay, so this is automatic finishing. I show you again the tires. Okay, come with me. Today is very hot, but I like this weather. You see the sky is very blue, very clearly. Okay, so really this is good weather, and really I hope that coronavirus will finish as soon as possible in other countries too, because we are all together, you know that. Now we are talking about worldwide. Actually, everybody, our identity is our destiny is connected to each other. We are together. So one good, everybody good. One bad, everybody bad. So we hope that really we hoping this coronavirus will finish very soon. And once again, of course, I want to emphasize for my country, for my company, you see that we have very good quality control. I pay a lot of attention on the quality because I understand customers give us their trust to us. We must do them good job. This is my this is how I think. So really and also in China, if you work with Chinese people, trust me, we have the most hardworking workers in the world. Okay, so once again, I show you this tire, and you see this tire, 60 by 60. Okay, 60 by 60. You see this quality. You see. I won't bring you bad job. You see this one. Okay, and see this, and how packing here. You know. I don't know how other countries workers how workers pay money, but here in China is like you have to check how many hours you work per day and calculate how many pieces, and in this case it's giving money. Okay, I'm very happy to talking to you today, and please do remember me and my company. Okay, Xiamen Aofei Building Materials, the company limited. Today we are checking Tiger Red, first quality of Tiger Red. You see these workers, first quality Tiger Red. Okay, you see our Tiger Red material. This is Tiger Red. Okay.